be your 7th grade representative. Yeah!
Hey, Robert.
Oh. A few fun facts about me is that I play the violin, I touch grass, and I play Steel Baymore. I literally have a Garama and Maradu and a Nubini Pizzanini.
Why do you think you'll make a great 7th grade representative?
I would make a great 7th grade representative because of my experience in this role and the confidence I can bring to it.
What will you do as 7th grade representative?
As 7th grade representative, I'll make exclusive events only for 7th grade and privileges for 7th grade. Now you may know me as your past 6th grade representative, but now I'm stronger, I'm faster, I'm smarter. Watch this. And now, most importantly, I think I can fly! Woo! If you want to have the best 7th grade school year, then vote for Robert Choi. You know why? Because he's the better choice.
Vote Robert for 7th grade representative.
Vote for Robert Choi.
Vote Robert Choi for 7th grade rep.
I'd vote for Robert Choi.
I vote for Robert Choi.
Vote for Robert Choi for 7th grade rep.